In this free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online, and this is the perfect time to do this with this brand new trending product that I'm going to show you that's making people money online. Now, I've actually done some research and I've found out that there's actually quite a lot of people making money with this specific method, but not only that, the actual specific product I'm going to show you that's brand new, and we actually haven't talked about this before. So I found some people that have made £9,000, 60,000 US dollars, 123,000 US dollars, and nearly 2 million US dollars. Now, the 2 million was a mix of the product I'm going to show you and other products. The product that I'm going to show you in this video to make money online with is one of their top 10 selling products. So these are just some of the results, and I found loads of people making money with this specific method. Now, this product that I'm going to show you is brand new to this channel. We haven't talked about this before, and more importantly, it's actually brand new to a platform that I'm going to talk about soon in this tutorial. So that's why it's trending right now, because this is brand new, and it's trending for two reasons: because it's Christmas, we'll talk about that in a second, and because it's a brand new specific product. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, and we're not going to miss any steps in this video. And yes, this works worldwide, doesn't matter where you are. Now, we're still doing the giveaway for my courses. If you would like to win access to my courses, every single one, make sure you find the emoji in this video, smash the like button, and then comment below what that emoji is. It's different this time, guys, and then I will pick a winner in the next video. Let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online with this brand new big trend that's happening right now. All right, guys, so it's nearly Christmas time. I know it's a few months away, but let's be real, time goes really fast now. But it's nearly Christmas, and around this time, there's always so many ways to make money online. Now, the method I'm going to show you in this video, you can start doing this now, and you can make a lot of money up till Christmas, and you can even do this method after Christmas and still make money online. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and we're going to use a brand new product that is actually trending right now, and it's really easy to make. We didn't actually have to hold the product or anything. So let me explain to you exactly how this works and how you can make money online with this method. But this is the best time to make money online because there's so much stuff you can do. Like, you could sell courses for Black Friday if you like, or do affiliate marketing deals for Black Friday, or you could try this one and get in early right now. So the first thing you want to do for this method is head over to Etsy.com. And what you'll see is there's these things called ceramic ornaments. And this is what the ceramic ornaments look like down here. So you can see what people do is you can put your own designs on these and sell them, or you can actually sell them and people give you their designs. Now, if we actually go to here, we have Christmas ones, which is obviously the theme of this video. And we can actually go ahead and sell these, and we can get all the designs ourselves and everything. And I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Now, you might be asking, why is this new? Why is this trending? Well, we can actually use a print-on-demand service to create these, and this print-on-demand service just added these recently to their product catalog, and that's why it's blowing up right now, and a lot of people are actually selling these because it's so easy to sell them now. So let's jump straight into this, and I'll show you exactly how to get started. But what I would recommend you do is go to Etsy.com first and go and put in ceramic ornaments, and what you can actually do is you can click on these specific ones, and you can go ahead and click on the store here, and you can actually copy the store name. And then when you copy the store name, you can go into this website here, which is called alura.io, alura.io, and we can go ahead to product, and we can go to shop analyzer, and we can actually analyze specific stores on Etsy for free. This is a free account, and we can see how much money they have been making online. It's absolutely insane. We can get a full lowdown on the estimation of what they've been making, their top products, and everything. We can literally see everything. So this specific store is just a random one that I chose. They have made $1.9 million so far, and these are their most popular products. And as you can see down here, this is an engaged Christmas ornament, a personalized family Christmas ornament. Now, it's not specifically their top sellers, but it is in their top 10, which is absolutely insane. So you can go ahead and you can research these specific stores, and we can see that people are buying these specific products, and we can go ahead and create these And I'll show you how to do that right now. But what I would recommend you do on the Christmas stuff is just go into Etsy and put in Christmas ornaments and just see what ones are selling the best to get some of the best designs. Now, the next step, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to head over to ChatGPT. This is important because this is how we're going to get our content. And I'll show you exactly what you need to do. I'm just going to copy this real quick for us. You want to go to new chat and you want to do ChatGPT 4 and you want to have a plugin called photorealistic. Okay, this is going to make us photorealistic image prompts that we can use. I'm going to go and post this into here, which is Santa riding sleigh with presents. Now I've just put this in for the tutorial, so you might want to put in something else, but you don't actually need to with this plugin because it's very, very smart and it gives us everything that we need to do. I just need to say yes, and it actually gives us everything that we need in a very specific, in-depth, advanced prompt that we can go ahead and then use to create an image. All right, so as you can see, it's now finishing off its prompt. So I'm going to copy this entire prompt right here. And then what you want to do is you want to go to a program called Midjourney. You can Google Midjourney if you don't know what this is, but this creates AI images for us. Now, I'm not going to explain to you how Midjourney works. You can go ahead and find that online and tutorials, but it's very easy to use. All you need to do, I'll show you a simple way to do this, is you go /imagine, and then you get the imagine prompt, and you paste in that prompt that we got from ChatGPT and that AI plugin that we could use to create that prompt. And what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and create 4 images for me. Now, why this is doing that, because sometimes it takes some time, I'm going to show you 4 that I've actually created up here. So I created these 4 right here, and then I created these 4 right here. As you can see, very different types of images, different types of styles. So if you do this a few times with different prompts, you're going to get different styles, which is good, and we can choose different specific styles. We're going to use this style for our specific ornament. And then, as you can see, this one is now doing its thing. And it actually, this one has actually come out a lot better than I thought. But as you can see, we have 4 images that we could now potentially use. And I'm actually going to use one of these ones. And I'm just going to click on, I want to upsize number 2. So I'm going to go U2, and that's going to upsize image number 2 for me. Sorry guys, I apologize. My camera is playing up. I think it's gone flat. Anyways, we now have this image that we could use. And we can go ahead and we can now use this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, open in browser, and I'm going to right click and save the image. Now, once that image is saved, we can then go ahead and use this. So the next step you want to do is you want to first off go ahead and start your own Etsy store. If you don't have one, there are tutorials online on how you can actually go ahead and set that up. You just want to go ahead and start your account and then create a store. Once you've created a store, you want to go to Printify.com and you want to start up your own account. And on Printify, essentially what happens is we don't actually have the product. These guys send the product out for us, and once we get an order, it'll automatically be done for us, and it'll send out the order from our Etsy store. And you can connect this to Etsy. As you can see, they have an Etsy integration. So Printify and Etsy. And this will integrate into your store. You just push connect, and it'll all link up. And then your designs that you create will show up on Etsy, and then they will be for sale. So let's just pretend you have your own Printify account. I'm going to go just put an ornament in the search bar. These are new products, and I'm going to click on this one, for example. Here there's all sorts of different types. You've got wooden ornaments, you've got this specific Christmas one. Actually, I might choose that one. We've got all these different types of products. Now, if you do get a Printify Premium, you will get these for cheaper. So what you pay for this one, for example, is $10. And you could essentially sell this for 15 or 20 or 30 and get a profit margin on top of that. Or you could do this one. So these guys send this out for you. We actually choose this one for this design. And we're going to go to, you go start designing. And it's actually given me a different design. That's actually okay. This works very well with our theme. Now this is a metal ornament. So you can do ceramic, metal, wood. And this costs $4.70. I'm just going to drag my image on, and they actually have their own AI image generator if you wanted to give that a go, but I haven't done that yet, so I'm not sure how good that is. So what I've done is I've just dragged my image onto Printify, and I'm going to enlarge it here and get it all lined up. And as you can see, that lines up pretty good. We need to make it a little bit bigger here. You might need to mess with image sizes just so you get a good image size. but I think that's really good. It would be nice to actually fit the reindeer in as well. And now I'm just going to go save product. And that is how easy this is to do. And then when you have your Etsy store connected, which I actually think I do, you're going to get these different types of images as well that you can use. There's like placeholder images. So this is really, really good. It's set up really, really nicely. And then all you have to do, if you have your Etsy store connected, it does everything for you. So it does I would recommend changing the title a bit better to a better title, okay? But it's done a full description for us. They take care of all of the shipping for us. And I'm just going to, and then you can do your pricing down here. You can have a 40% profit margin. You can change it to a 20% profit margin. You can have a 70% profit margin, which means that you would make a $10 profit on every single one that you sold if you had a 70% margin. And then just go save as draft. And this is now going to be saved as a draft. Now, I don't have this connected to Etsy, as you can see, so I can't actually publish this. But once it's saved as a draft, you can go ahead and you can publish this specific product on Etsy to go and make money. As you can see, this is just my tutorial account. And then you can go and put it on Etsy and you can start selling it. Now, I would recommend doing Christmas ornaments for now, because obviously Christmas is coming up, so you want to do Christmas ones. But once that's over, you can actually do something called a ceramic mock-up, where people will actually send you their design, and then you can go ahead and put it on Printify and then send it to them that way. And that sometimes works out better because you don't actually have to do the design. You're just selling the product, and then they will send you the design to put on it. All right, guys, I just want to show you a nice, easy way to make some money coming up to Christmas online. And this is a great way to make money online because you can essentially use this website, Printify, to supply the product. You can use ChatGPT to get yourself an image, and then you can use Etsy to sell that particular product. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you then.